Molly. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter, Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for giving me a call last night. This blue-gray 144 high roof crew van is the one that you had your deposit on, and we refunded you your deposit. But I figured I'd come in this morning and do this video for you. I know you really like the van, so just want to point out your fog lights down here. This van does have some great options on it, and it does have the 360-degree camera. One of the cameras is located right here, and then we'll come around here to the passenger side. The other cameras for the 360-degree, they're right here underneath of the exterior mirrors on the driver's side and the passenger side. Also, it's got the nice black wheels with the mud and snow tires. Open up so you can see how really nice the Sprinter van is. We're gonna keep going and do a nice walk around on the whole Sprinter van. So this 3-passenger seat for the crew van, this actually is the comfort seat. So you have a lever right here. It actually tilts back, gives you about 6 or 7 inches of reclining space for comfort. And it has the wood floor with the anti-slip coating in it. It's very nice, especially when your feet are wet. You're not going to just slip and fall on it. Then we're going to come around here to the back of the Sprinter van. So your backup camera is located above the third brake light, and when we get on the inside of the van, Molly, I'm going to display the camera and everything for you. It's very nice. It's got the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow a trailer up to 5,000 pounds behind the Sprinter van. And then this has the 270-degree doors. So with that being said, they do open up and latch in place at 90 degrees. And then you can also open them all the way up. And then they latch in place there too. So if the wind's blowing or you're parked on a hill, the doors aren't going to just slam on you, which is a very nice feature that the Sprinter van has. So now, Molly, we're going to hop in the cab of the Sprinter van, and I'm going to show you the features in there. Okay, Molly, we're sitting here in the cab of the Sprinter van that I know that you like. The blue-gray color is very nice. I'm going to start out up here on the dash area. So you have your storage compartment right here. Your wireless charging tray is located here. You have 3 USB ports. This one right here, you can get your Apple CarPlay when you hook up your iPhone, or if you have a Samsung, either one. It will display up here on your screen very nicely when you do that. Also, we can pair 2 cell phones, which is very nice. Nice navigation system. You can also shrink the screen, and you can blow the screen up. And then we have your Sirius XM satellite radio, AM and FM. There's a media center that you can access once the Mercedes Me Connect is activated. And here's your info center. This van doesn't have any miles on it yet, but once it does, you can get your fuel economy readout right here. This does have the 4-cylinder diesel engine in it, which is very fuel efficient, somewhere between 20 and 24 miles per gallon. There's an app store, and then also your vehicle settings. So the van comes with ESP, which is stability control, lane tracking assist. It's got the parking assist. Also, you've got your camera, traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, active brake assist. The acoustic door locks, you can adjust your door locks. You can turn these on or off so the doors will lock automatically. You can adjust or delay your interior and exterior lighting if you choose to. And then you have your systems. When you come to take delivery of your new Sprinter van, I will go over these items much more in depth. This van also has heated electric mirrors, heated front seats, just a very unique, very nice crew van. I'm going to display the backup camera for you as well. So this is the most common view. Here's your 360 degree. And then if you and your husband choose to tow a trailer, you have this yellow line right here. You can simply hook your drawbar up very, very easily. You can see everything. A nice wide angle rear view. And then this one is for the blind spot, so it shows the left and right hand side exterior of the van if anything is in your blind spot. It's a very crystal clear, so you don't run over anything or bump anything. It's very nice. There's the front camera that I pointed out. There's your front camera view. And then there's a wide angle view. So Molly, I hope you've enjoyed my video of the 2021 144 high roof blue-gray Sprinter van. And please feel free to give me a call. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much, Molly.